wanna be happy.
Alright, so I hope you guys are ready to make some magic with this new DIY inspired by Julia Michaels EP. So I thought, since she is going on tour for her little EP, I would make some stuff and sell it on my Etsy for you guys, or you can make it at home for her concert. I wish I could go, but I can't. But if you're gonna go, this will be helpful for you, or if you just want it in general, you know. I went to the thrift store. I got this like peachy pink t-shirt. It is a Key West shirt, like a travel shirt that you get when you like go on vacation and you get a shirt with the name of the place on it. This color is so cute and the cut is cute, and it has like, here, let me show you. It has like the white stitching, which I think is really cute. We can cover this Key West logo with something that looks like Julia's EP cover. So I got blue and yellow fabric from the craft store, and we're gonna create a lyric with it and then have it say Julia Michaels underneath, and it looks like the cover of her EP. And then we're gonna put this on the front of the shirt. So that one is actually going to go on this shirt that I got from the not the craft store, the thrift store. And I actually picked out these two shirts just because they were colors that were reflected in her album release. Like, there's a color palette and you just go to the thrift store and you find things that are in that color palette. Honestly, that one is gonna go here, and we are gonna make one to go over the Key West logo. It's gonna have to be bigger than this one to fit over it, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a square out of the yellow fabric that fits over the Key West logo. It doesn't have to be a perfect square because we're gonna make it look choppy, like a torn up piece of paper, because that is the look that Julia's album cover has. Alright, so now we're just gonna take the blue and basically do the same thing, make a little thinner version to go underneath here. Now I'm going to make some lines with a ruler and chalk so that I can write the words as straight as possible. So now I'm going to pour some black fabric paint into one of my little cubbies, and I'm using a very thin brush, and then I'm just going to create the words. What I try to do when I do this is I kind of just hope for the best most of the time, but I try to start with like the middle letter and then work my way out so that it's even on both sides. So, little tip for you guys. I'm gonna put Julia Michaels on this blue one and we'll attach these together like so. So now I'm just gonna glue the blue piece under the yellow piece. So you're gonna wanna let this dry for 24 hours. Now that this has dried, we're gonna add some gold glitter and different patches and stuff to pizzazz it and make it kind of look like her lyric video where they had like the glitter and the flowers and the smiley faces and the diamonds and stuff, and make it kind of like that Mod Podge-y crafty look. And I got Laura DIY's glitter fabric paint. I have never used this before, but it looks phenomenal. The more you coat it on, the thicker the gold is gonna be. So I kind of go heavier in some areas and lighter in some areas just to make it look a little bit more hand done. Next, I picked up some fun little details that we're going to add. I like to glue these on versus ironing them on because I feel like the glue lasts a lot longer and works a lot better. I think when you iron patches on that are like a bit heavier, not that these are that heavy, but they're definitely gonna be heavier than these, so I just like to glue them on because then I know that they're gonna stay on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and iron these ones on just because these are a little bit different than a patch and I don't know if the glue would stick to these or not.
I think of the night in the park, it was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a time, what a time, what a time. You cling to my body like you wanted it forever. What a time, what a time. Sometimes I think I kill relationships for art. I start up all this shit to watch them fall apart. I pay my bills with it, so I don't run right into you. So I don't run right into you. Even though that's what I wanna do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Even though that's what I wanna do.